Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my presentation on single data centering measures in economic statistics. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ressy Azhari, NPM 224-11101, Management 22C Class. In this video, I will be speakers in this presentation. Today, we will discuss important concepts in economic statistics that help us understand how data can be collected, analyzed, and interpreted in economic contexts. Okay, and the next, what is single data centering measures? A measure of single data centrality is a statistic used to describe how data clusters on coverages around a particular value in dataset. There are several general methods used to measure data centrality, namely mean, median, and mode. And the next slide about average or mean. Average is the most commonly used method to measure centrality of data. It is the result of the sum of all the values in the dataset divided by the sum and those values. The average is a useful measure to determine the middle value of economic data. Next about average example. If we have monthly salary data for 5 employees in a company, number 1, $3,000, $3,500, $4,000, $4,500, and $500. Then the average monthly salary is $3,000 plus $3,500, $4,000 plus $4,000 and plus $4,500 and plus $500 divided 5 is $400. On the next slide about median. Median is the middle value in a sequence of data that has been sorted. This is a good measure of data centering when there are extreme values in the dataset. The median is not affected by extreme values. On the next slide about median example. If we have annual revenue data for 7 business in city, number 1, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $80,000, $90,000, $100,000, $105,000, then the median is $80,000, which is the value in the middle when the data is sorted. On the next slide about model or mode. The model is the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. This is useful for identifying the most common or popular values in an economic context. And the next about example of mode. If we have data on home price in a neighborhood, number 1 is $200, $250, $250, $350, and $350. Then the mode would be $250 because this value appears more frequently. Okay, and the last in conclusion, in economic statistics, single data centralization measures are important tools that help us understand how data is centralized. Mean, median, and mode are commonly used methods to achieve this goal. A good understanding of these measures can help us make better decisions in the economy. Okay, and this is the end of my videos. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Now I will be happy to answer any question you may have. Please ask your question in this comment.